This is a video response to the Haas USMC's go-to 3 weapons for a Chinese invasion. First off, I will be using any type of AR style weapon, and the one I have with me here today is a Rock River Arms. It's got a Surefire light on it, Surefire 60 round mag pouch, mag pull, Myag grip, mag pull trigger guard, and a mag pull Mo stock. My second weapon, Remington 870 Tactical. It's in ATAX camo. Has XS ghost ring sights on it, and it has a breaching tip. And it has a scabbard on the back of my OTV that I put it in. My next weapon is a Black Hawk Serper holster, which I'm not a big fan of. It's the only holster I have for this. My Springfield 1911, but it has been customized by Wilson Combat. I'll do a review on it later. It's got, carrying in it, a 10 round Chip McCormick mag. And I thought I would include the rest of my gear, well, most of it. And in the area that I'm in, there would be a lot of CQB fighting. And so I have quite a few bladed weapons on me. This is my boot knife. It's a Black Hawk my micro dagger, the XSF model. Have it rigged to the sheath of my Kershaw military boot knife. I spray painted both of those and just rigged them up right there. I'll do a review on them when I can. This goes on my belt beside my drop leg panel, which I will get to next, and it has 2 1911 mags. My drop leg panel. The drop leg panel is a tactical assault gear panel. This is a Condor mag pouch. Carry 2 30 rounders in it. I know I'm going to get bashed for having a tomahawk probably by most of you urban commando haters, but I do carry a tomahawk I have rigged up here. So unbutton these 2 snaps. I don't know if I can do it without me actually having it on. So you pull up on it. I'll have to set the camera down. You can operate it one-handed, get it out one-handed. You pull up on it and then pull out. It's a SOG tomahawk. And down below it, have a cold steel OSS knife, the Sanmai version. I believe that it is a 8-inch blade. No, it's actually a 10-inch blade, I think. I'm not sure, I'm not positive without looking on the specs of it, but very sharp. It's a great knife, double-edged. It's my drop leg panel. As far as gloves go, I couldn't decide which ones I would use, so I just randomly picked up a pair. The Vickers tactical gloves. Great gloves. I would either have these or my Oakley assault gloves on. Helmets. It's just your standard ACH helmet, nothing fancy. Shemagh. And my OTV. Groin protector. I hate these, but I would probably wear it in the CQB environment that I will be in. 3 extra 1911 mags. These are Wilson Combats. And here's my shotgun pouch. Pull it up, it's a Condor. Pull it down. I carry 13 mags on my vest. I know it's a heavy loadout, but for where I'll be fighting at, it's a good idea to have at least 10 mags on you. And my knives. This is a Gerber de facto dagger. I've had it for about a month. It's an amazing knife. Very deadly. It's got a glass breaker on the end of it. This is a cheap little dagger I have mounted there. That's for quick access. It's double-edged. Some grip tape on it and spray painted. I think it was like $5. Over here, an IFAK. A few little extra things, and I'll do a review on it later. So I don't want to pull it all out now. But anyway, an IFAK. And I always have a canteen on my vest back here. And the scabbard on the back of the OTV for my shotgun. So thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe.